How you doing, guys? Welcome back. Part 4 of the rear subframe and the gas tank and the whole underneath assembly. It's gonna all go back together. So I went ahead and already got to my two bolts in the front are already on, and that way I have my measurements up top, which I'll show a little bit down the road on that. And now it's just gonna start installing the fuel tank, and then work my way into the subframe and the secondary evap box that goes right here. So let's get cracking. Okay, so on the e-brake adjustment, you want to get it loose. You want to run the adjuster all the way up until you can barely move it. And then what you do is you take 10 clicks back which is the little spot where the spring is at. So just go 10 back, and then the adjustment on the actual drum and the brake itself will be adjusted. Got to do the same thing for the other side. And then what we'll do at the final round, when I go to adjust everything, it'll be also adjusted inside the car that way, to make sure that there's a couple clicks and the brake, there's 2 clicks up, and it should turn just a little. It should have some drag on it. So we'll keep plugging away. Yep, you saw right. Got these all powder coated, and seems to be that they didn't cover up the holes. So I had to tap every single bracket, every single hole. It's great fun. I don't have anything else to do, so might as well just keep doing it. So gotta do the front brackets, and then I'll start putting the new seals on the calipers. So each caliper has 2 different size pistons. So I just installed the bigger side, or the bigger piston, on the rear calipers, and now I'm going to jump to the smaller one. So I have my bigger size and then my small size. So I'll be grabbing 2 and 2 from each, and then I'll be installing them. And the same thing with the front calipers. You have a bigger one and then a smaller piston. So 4 pistons each, but they're all not the same size. So. Okay, so I'm pretty much done on the rear end, putting everything all back together. The only thing I gotta end up doing is installing the V-brace. But I have to lower the car down, position my my lift pickup points. That way I can put the front section of the under trays on. But she's pretty much done underneath. Yay! Okay, so I'm buttoning up the interior of the car, so I want to show you the Vince bar and the studs, or the bolts, the nuts that were installed. So let's take a gander at that, and then I can finish buttoning the interior up. All right, so there you go. You could see the two bolts, or the bolts. Keep calling the bolts. The nuts on both on the front cups. And then if you look back over here, you can see the other nut on the back section of the Vince bar. So that's it. The inside, those are tightened down. So the next thing is you start putting some of the panels back on, as I already got that back on there, and some of the trunk panels are there. So yeah,